Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best PS5 controllers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Gamrombo LED wireless controller with 2.4G adapter. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list, coming in at just $45.99. Despite the low price, this controller offers plenty of features like dual vibration motors, customizable lighting with 8 colors, and a turbo function that's perfect for creating rapid-fire inputs in FPS and racing games. The Marco functionality also allows you to set combos to a single button, which is great for competitive gaming. The design is lightweight but sturdy, featuring high-precision joysticks that reduce dead zones for smoother control. The 2.4G wireless adapter ensures zero delay within a 10-meter range, making it a reliable option for casual and competitive gamers alike. However, it requires the use of the included adapter and doesn't support wired connectivity, which some users might find limiting. Additionally, while it's compatible with PS5, PS4, Switch, and Windows, it doesn't work with Apple headphones due to its 3.5mm audio jack. Overall, this controller is ideal for gamers on a budget who still want a feature-rich experience. The customizable lighting and robust vibration feedback make it a fun and immersive choice, but the lack of wired connectivity might be a deal-breaker for some. Pros include its affordability, vibrant LED options, and smooth gameplay, while cons include limited compatibility and reliance on the adapter. Coming in at number 4 is the Meister Wireless controller, priced at $59.99. This controller strikes a great balance between affordability and advanced features. It sports 7-color RGB lighting with customizable modes, adding a stylish flair to your gaming setup. The standout feature here is the Hall effect joystick technology, which offers zero drift and exceptional accuracy. Gamers will also appreciate the adjustable trigger resistance and the 6-axis gyro sensor for precise motion control. The build quality feels premium for the price, with an ergonomic design that ensures comfort during long gaming sessions. The 1500 mAh battery is another highlight, providing up to 13 hours of gameplay on a single charge. It's compatible with a wide range of devices, including PS5, PC, Mac, Android, and Steam Deck, making it a versatile option. However, while the turbo and dual vibration features enhance the gaming experience, the controller lacks the fine-tuned haptics found in higher-end models. This controller is perfect for those who want advanced functionality without breaking the bank. It's a solid choice for FPS and action games, thanks to its precise triggers and motion controls. Pros include its long battery life, ergonomic design, and wide compatibility, while cons include limited haptic feedback compared to premium options. In third place, we have the Gamrombo LED wireless controller for PS5, retailing at $59.99. This controller is a step up from the budget option, offering features like a built-in speaker for immersive gameplay and dual vibration motors paired with a high-precision 6-axis gyroscope. It's a great all-around performer, delivering smooth gameplay and responsive controls. The vibrant LED lighting adds a touch of personality, and it even remembers your preferred lighting settings. The build quality is solid, with upgraded joysticks that reduce dead zones for more accurate movement. It connects quickly to your PS5 or PC, though it's worth noting that it's not compatible with PS4. The addition of a 3.5mm audio jack is a nice touch, although it doesn't support Apple headphones. One downside is that the controller requires a wired connection for its first-time setup, which might be inconvenient for some users. This controller is a fantastic choice for those who want a bit more than the basics without jumping into the premium price range. It's ideal for casual and intermediate gamers who value smooth performance and customization options. Pros include its immersive sound, customizable lighting, and precise controls, while cons include limited compatibility and the need for initial wired setup. At number 2, we have the PDP Victric Pro BFG wireless gaming controller. This is the premium option on our list, with a price tag of $159.99. Designed for esports enthusiasts and competitive gamers, this controller offers a modular design with interchangeable parts, including sticks, D-pads, and even a 6-button fight pad module. The patented clutch triggers allow for 5 adjustable trigger stops, making it perfect for fast-paced games like Call of Duty. The build quality is exceptional, with a robust and ergonomic design that feels great in hand. The controller supports both wireless and wired modes, offering flexibility for different gaming scenarios. The mappable back buttons and the Victrix Control Hub app add an extra layer of customization, enabling you to fine-tune everything from dead zones to button remapping. However, at 2.2 pounds, it's on the heavier side, which may not be ideal for everyone. This controller is a must-have for serious gamers who demand precision and customization. It's perfect for competitive play, especially in FPS and fighting games. Pros include its modular design, high-quality build, and extensive customization options. Cons include its premium price and heavier weight compared to other controllers. Finally, at the top spot, we have the PlayStation DualSense wireless controller in Midnight Black. This is the gold standard for PS5 controllers, offering cutting-edge features like haptic feedback and adaptive triggers that elevate your gaming experience to new heights. The haptics simulate in-game actions, while the adaptive triggers provide variable resistance, making games feel more immersive than ever. The design is sleek and iconic, with a comfortable grip that's perfect for extended gaming sessions. The built-in microphone and 3.5mm audio jack make it easy to communicate with teammates, while the USB-C and Bluetooth connectivity ensure seamless compatibility with PS5, PC, and even Mac. The integrated speaker delivers high-fidelity sound effects, adding an extra layer of immersion. However, the price is currently unavailable, and it may lean toward the higher end of the spectrum. The DualSense is the best overall choice for PS5 owners looking for unparalleled performance and premium features. It's ideal for gamers who want the ultimate immersive experience in both single-player and multiplayer games. Pros include its advanced haptics, adaptive triggers, and iconic design, while the main con is the potentially high price. If you want the best of the best, this is the one to get. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.